Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if some application is crashing frequently on your iPhone 15 Pro. For example, let's pretend that this application is crashing all the time. Now, in order to fix this issue, we have to go to the App Store, find the page of with this application. So let's search for it in here. Open the applications page, and if you see update icon instead of open, that means that we have to update our application to the most recent version. And once you do that, once your app is updated, it should crash no more. However, if there are no updates to this app, then simply uninstall it by going to your home screen, holding your finger down on an applications icon, tap remove app, and then select delete app, confirm, and then reinstall this application from the App Store. Just wait until this application is downloaded again, then reopen it, and everything should return to normal now. And that's basically it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.